everyone. Welcome back to Podcast English Studio. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone.
And I'm Mark. Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone.
Yes, today we're talking about numbers and quantity.
We'll learn how to ask and answer questions like how many and how much. We use numbers every day.
We use numbers when we shop, eat, travel, and study. That's why this lesson is very important for beginners.
Let's start with something easy. We use how many for things we can count.
For example, books, apples, chairs.
We use how much for things we cannot count.
For example, water, coffee, money.
Let's practice how many. How many books do you have?
I have 3 books.
How many students are in the class?
How many students are in the class?
How many apples?
How many apples?
2 apples.
2 apples.
5 chairs.
5 chairs.
Now let's use how much.
How much water do you drink?
I drink a lot of water.
How much coffee do you want?
Just a little, please. Let's try a short conversation.
Okay.
Mark, how many cups are on the table?
There are 4 cups.
There are 4 cups.
Not much.
Here are some very common words. A lot, a little, not much, not many.
You don't need exact numbers every time.
Now let's imagine we're at the supermarket.
Sounds good.
How many bananas do you want?
3 bananas, please.
How much rice do you need?
Just a little.
Okay, let's get it. Let's talk about daily life. How many hours do you study English?
How many hours do you study English?
About 1 hour a day.
How much time do you spend online?
Too much. That's very honest. That's very honest. Answer out loud. How many languages do you speak?
How much water do you drink every day?
Pause the video and answer. How many books?
How many books?
How much coffee?
How much coffee?
A lot.
A lot.
Imagine you are at work or school.
Someone asks you,
How many people are in the meeting?
there are 5 people.
Very good. Important tip. How many water? How much water? How much apples? How many apples?
Don't worry, practice makes perfect.
Now your challenge.
Speak for 30 seconds.
Talk about food, books, time, water.
Use how many and how much.
Today you learned how to talk about numbers, talk about quantity, use how many and how much.
Great job.
You did a great job today.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Comment below. How many hours do you study English every week?
See you next time. Bye, Anna.
See you, Mark. Bye.
Bye-bye.